The auditorium, unveiled. What does it mean? Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we are diving deep into a common English word that you might have heard, auditorium. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it in a sentence. Let's get started. An auditorium is a large room or building where audiences gather to watch performances, listen to speeches, attend events, or participate in meetings. Think of it as a place specifically designed to ensure that many people can comfortably and clearly hear and see what's happening on a stage or a central area. Common places you might find an auditorium: schools or universities, for assemblies or events; theaters, for plays or concerts; conference centers, for large meetings. Let's break the word down a little. Auditorium originates from the Latin word audire, which means to hear. This makes sense because the primary purpose of an auditorium is for the audience to hear what's being presented or performed. The suffix torium suggests a place for something, in this case, a place for listening. Now, let's see how you can use this word. 1. The school's auditorium was packed during the annual talent show. 2. We need to book an auditorium for our company's yearly conference. 3. The sound system in the auditorium ensures that everyone can hear the speaker clearly. So there you have it. An auditorium is not just any room, but a space specifically designed for audiences to gather and listen. Whether you're watching a play, attending a lecture, or just participating in a meeting, you now know what an auditorium is all about. Hope this video made things clear. Keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.